Alright, hey folks, everything new under the sun. This is my, I'm not sure what it is, 4, 5, 6 year review of the Stihl MS250 chainsaw. I did a review about 2 years ago, but that's not when I bought it. I had it for a couple of years already. I'll try and remember and put that information on screen, if I remember, like I say, how many years I actually had this. But like I say, this is the Stihl MS250. I've been using it to cut 8 cords of hardwood firewood, 8-foot length, every year for 5, 6 years. I don't remember exactly. But this unit is, well, I was going to say it's mostly stock. I don't know what that means because, I mean, the only thing you can change is the chain and the bar. This comes stock with a 16-inch bar, and I, just this past year, I've had this bar for 2 years. I went and got the longest bar that you can get for the MS250, and that is the 18-inch bar. And that is much nicer in terms of cutting a lot more wood. If you have small diameter wood, you can cut a lot more pieces right deep into the pile than you can with the stock 16-inch. So I definitely recommend the upgrade. If you're cutting firewood, the 18-inch really gets a bunch more done for you. I haven't had any issues. I pretty much just filled it up with gas and oil. Obviously, I haven't really replaced anything. I haven't even taken the back off, to be honest, to look at the air filter. I think I did it once in the 5 years that I've had it. I've never taken the spark plug out except once when my father-in-law flooded this. And that brings me to, how well does it start up? This thing always starts up on basically the second or third pull, and I'll see if I can get it going here to prove it to you. So the trick with the MS250 is that you got to put it on the full choke mode at the very bottom. You pull it until it burps, basically. Then you flip this button up once, and then pull it until it starts. So usually it takes 2-3 pulls to get it to burp, and then you push that up. 2-3 pulls usually at max to actually start it. This is a cold start. It is about 4 degrees above Celsius today, so not super cold, but I've never had any trouble as long as I followed the same procedures. Choke it, get it to burp, and then go ahead and put it in regular and do it. So I've got it in choke there. I'm going to try and start it. And it burped right away already because it was all ready to go. That's why it was giving me some kickback there. So once already. So that is it. That is after 5-6 years of 8 cords of hardwood every single year, starting, stopping, multiple times, obviously, probably 100 times anyways in a season. And so this MS250 has really stood up. I've not broken any of the plastic. It's kind of harsh lighting, I know, but the plastic is all pretty good. It's dusty, but it's pretty good. I've broken nothing on it. Handle's still there. Handle's still good. The safety bar I've not broken. Like I said, the only thing I've done is put a new bar, the 18-inch bar on it, which makes a difference. And yeah, just keep it nice and sharp, and you're good to go. The dogs, the teeth on it are still good. I've never replaced those. The muffler itself, it's a little rusty, but that's what you'd expect from something that's heating up and cooling off all the time. And yeah, I've done nothing else other than regular maintenance, cleaning the dust inside. What can I say about it? What's the worst thing I can say about it? You know, I wish maybe I got a bigger one, but honestly, this is good for 99% of what I actually do. The only issue I've had, and it's probably an issue with all chainsaws, is that the oil holes on the bar can get packed up with dust if you're not cleaning it out regularly. So sometimes the bar doesn't get oiled properly. That's okay. You just take this apart, clean out the holes, and get it all nice and clean. And then the oil starts flowing. I haven't had any issue really with debris in the oil or the gas. Not that I've noticed anyways. I've never had it stall on me, except when it was really cold or something. But that rarely happens. I've not even cleaned out this. This is all dusted up. You can see I probably should take this off and clean that out. But I've not even done that. I've put in literally gallons and gallons and gallons of worth of fuel in this since I got it. And, you know, it runs as if new. There's a couple of scuff marks on the plastic. And I don't treat this thing nicely. So, and that just sits in my shed all winter long, basically. In the cold weather, in the warm weather, I don't do anything special. I just keep out of the rain. And that's it. The MS250 Stihl. The one upgrade I will say is the 18-inch bar. That really is handy. Other than that, it works really well. And so, you've probably been seeing some clips of me cutting the firewood there. I'm going to cut up the last of my 8 cords of hardwood. And we'll call it a day. So, that is my kind of update, my 4 or 5, whatever year review of it. And it's working well. I don't know what I'm going to upgrade. I don't need to upgrade. So I'll keep using this as long as I can. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think, and ask me questions if you have any. And we'll see you guys in the next video.